As a postpartum doula and a birth worker, one of the number one questions I get asked all the time is how to help eliminate thrush in a baby's mouth naturally. If you notice white patches on your baby's tongue or gums that won't wipe away, they might have oral thrush, which is an overgrowth of a Candida yeast. And while it's common, it can make feeding uncomfortable. And here are some natural remedies to clear it up and prevent reinfection. Mom and baby probiotics. A strong gut microbiome is key to fighting yeast. Infant probiotics can help restore balance, and if you're breastfeeding, taking probiotics yourself supports both you and the baby. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural antifungal. I want you to apply a small amount to a clean cotton swab and gently rub it inside baby's mouth. If you're breastfeeding, I want you to consume it orally as well and apply it to your nipples to prevent reinfection. You can also do apple cider vinegar rinses. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of filtered water and use a soft cloth to gently wipe the baby's mouth. If you're nursing, I want you to drink the rest of it. And also apply it to your nipples so you can prevent reinfection. Chamomile tea rinses. Chamomile is soothing and it's an antimicrobial. And so I want you to brew a small cup, let it cool, and use a clean cloth to gently wipe the baby's mouth. Mom, you can drink the rest if you're breastfeeding and apply it to your nipples so that you can prevent reinfection. If you're breastfeeding, Mom, I will also recommend oil of oregano in your routine. This is a powerful antifungal which helps to eliminate yeast from the inside out. Take a few drops daily. You can dilute it in water or juice or just add it sublingually under the tongue. And you can also rub it in your belly button. That would also help. And applying it to your nipples to help prevent reinfection. I'm also going to mention that you can dilute oil of oregano and gently rub it on your baby's feet and body to help clear the yeast from their system through their skin. You can also do this with coconut oil as well, incorporating it into baby's routine. Change your diet if you're breastfeeding. Yeast thrives on processed foods and sugars. And so if you cut back on the refined sugars and carbs, eating more leafy greens, drinking plenty of water, and adding lemon to it to increase the amount of toxins that you're flushing. I also would encourage you to eat foods like garlic, coconut, and oregano. You can also try my Reishi Reset and Aqua Vital Whole capsules because thrush is a sign that your body may need extra immune and detox support. My Reishi Reset capsules help to regulate immune function, boost your resiliency, and also reduce inflammation and restore balance. My Aqua Vital Whole capsules nourish the body, promote cellular detox, and provide a deep mineral support, perfect for postpartum recovery and preventing yeast overgrowth. Together, they can help you feel energized, resilient, and replenished. Mom, if you're not breastfeeding, I didn't want to miss this. If you're not breastfeeding, which I'm not judging you, I'm saying that thrush could be happening frequently if the baby digestive system is not agreeable with the milk that they are consuming. I would encourage you to consider discussing this with their pediatrician or a holistic practitioner to help you determine what are alternative methods to feeding the baby. If you may be interested in enhancing your milk supply or bringing it back, I would definitely encourage you to connect with a IBCLC or a lactation consultant. I'm also going to recommend bathing the baby in my Tender Tides baby bath. It's a soothing plant-based baby bath that can help calm irritation, nourish their delicate skin, and naturally support the yeast balance. My Tender Tides baby bath is designed to cleanse and comfort while promoting relaxation, hydration, and skin healing, making it a gentle way to powerfully be an ally in your baby's self-care routine. I love you. I hope that worked. Also, won't forget to mention you need to keep everything clean. Boil pacifiers, bottles, and your pump parts daily. Wash your hands frequently, especially after feedings. Change your nursing pads often to prevent moisture buildup. Yeast thrives on moisture. If the thrush persists beyond 2 weeks or worsens, I want you to get in touch with a healthcare provider. A happy baby starts with a thriving gut and immune system, and if you breastfeed in mom, it starts with you. Grab my oil of oregano, Reishi Reset, and Aqua Vital capsules at Shanice's Nurtured Holistics. Visit the link in my bio. It can be found in my Etsy shop. I love you. Bye.